Hello guys, this is Zach again, and today we're going to talk about how you can edit your videos without losing a quality. So before we go ahead, I'd like to apologize because of my background noise. I really don't have enough time to edit this, but I want to upload this video as soon as possible for me to give you a guide on how you can edit your videos without losing a quality. Maybe it could be for YouTube or any other platforms, but any type of video this will work. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing first, I tried to research on YouTube, but I couldn't find enough resources for me to help out how to edit my video without losing a quality. I wish I had known this type of video editor and I could have better upload a good quality on my previous videos. As far as you can see, you can check all my other YouTube videos and it doesn't give you a good quality, which you can see a lot crispier and a lot better when it comes to the letters of the any videos that I'm showing. On that, it's a little bit pixelated, I'm sorry about that, but on this day forward you will see all my future videos or all of my upcoming videos, you will see it'll be on a good resolution, and I'm using only one video editor for me to make the one type of good quality video. So I'd like to show you that this tool is completely free. This is a built-in video editor of Windows. You'll go to Video Editor, and there you go. This is a video editor built in on any Windows. It could be Windows 10, Windows 11. I'm now on Windows 11, and here exactly I'll show you what you can do in this type of video editor and how you can make edits. So here we go. This would be the title of your project. You can skip on that or create one. I'm going to skip on this. Now we are going to add a sample clip on this project. So it could be from my PC, from collections, or from web. So I have already created one, and that's from my PC. Bear with me. Alright, so let's try this. So since you've already added one, you can drag and drop here in the storyboard. Now you'll see the video clip. So we'll try to play it. Alright, so you would be surprised because there's a lot of things that you can do inside this video editor that you won't ever imagine. Sometimes you would rather pay for a video editor for you to create a stunning video, but you know, you can just use this tool for free, and I'll explain how. So first, in this video, it took me a lot of time to figure out how I can decrease and increase the volume for each clip. So, and it's just right there located at the storyboard, where you can just click on the volume icon and you can just adjust the volume up and down. Now you can also add a title card, trim, split, and there's a lot of whole bunch of things you can do with this. So prior to using this video editor, I use a Windows Movie Maker, which is not really a good one for me, and it doesn't give me a good result, which I should expect that I should be having a good quality. Especially I'm doing a tech tutorials, and I'll show you when it comes to when it comes to viewing some files, all these folders and file names would be pixelated and you will not be able to see it clearly. So sometimes it happens when you are looking for a specific file to make some changes or modify it. It's very important that you can clearly see all the letters. So here we'll go back to our video editor, and then what we can do more here is to add a background music. So we can use the default by Windows. Let's just click the play button for us to hear. So these are the default background music from Windows. You can also do a custom audio, which allows you to add your own preferred music. So you can click on the custom audio and add audio file. So from here you can go to your music folder and select which type of music you'd prefer to add on your background on video. So aside from that, we can also do trimming, which we can trim the part of those videos that we don't want to include when uploading. So let's say for example, So as you can see, I have around like 4 seconds delay on this video before I started to speak. Alright, so I want to remove that on this video, and what we can do is to trim that video. So you can just drag and drop this. So maybe we'll start from this and you can play it. So you can seek this line here, and a little circle will allow you to seek which part of video you don't want. So we will try to drag it from here, and for us to trim the part of this video that we don't want, you can just click and hold on this bar and drag it towards the starting point, and you can click done and play it again. See if it's working. See, so if you start your video from the very beginning, we no longer have the delay for like 4 seconds, and it'll play automatically like me speaking on this video. And next, what you can do is split the video. If you want to make some changes on this part of the video but you don't want to delete that video and still include that on your upload, you can just split the video and edit the video separately. So it'll be called as a clip, another clip on the storyboard. So let's try to do it. Click on split and just drag this bar here where you want it to start, or split the part of the video. Let's say, for example, I'd like to split the video from here, and you can just play the video or which part of this video you would like to split. So you can just click done, and boom, now you have 2 clips on your storyboard. Next is you can add a text. That's pretty simple. Let's say, for example, I mentioned Valorant on this video and I'd like to show you where you can download Valorant. You can just simply add a text to that clip. Just make sure you've selected the correct clip, and you can just select the text button. And from here you can just choose from the default Windows font. So let's say I'll choose Joy, and I'll type www.valorant.com. So that's how it looks like. And after that, you can choose from the bottom, let's say it's layout. You can choose to appear it on the center. You can also choose to appear it at the top. So it depends. Maybe you can use the simple font, and that's how it looks. So we want it to appear in the center, and you can also see this bar that has the text. You can drag the end bar and the starting bar, for which it allows you to move the text and place it to which part of the video you'd like this text to appear. And you can just click done, and you can play the video. See? So it's up to you which part of the video you'd like to insert the text. So next on here, we've got the motion. So it's up to you what type of motion you're going to use for your video clip, but it'll be applied to the entire clip, or maybe you can just choose to apply it on the entire video. But I'm not so sure how the motion works, and I've never tried this, so maybe you can try it on your own later. But let's just cancel this and proceed to the next. Then we've got the 3D effects. So this is how you can add your 3D, and kind of play some of it, and you can make crazy stuff on this. It depends on how you like the 3D to appear. You can also apply this on the entire resolution, entire size of your video clip, and it's really up to you and how you're going to use this. So I haven't tried 3D, but let's see how this would work. Oh, I didn't know that it's very cool. So it's just a free feature, or maybe because my 365 account is paid version, so I don't see something like a premium or a diamond from any of this. But it might be a little different for you guys because you might have a free account. So if you've got a free account, just make sure you choose the free one, which will not show a diamond on any corner of this 3D effect. Same with our background music. So if your account is free, you might see some background music on the right side of the music, which has a diamond. So that simply means that it should be on a premium account. But still, there's a ton of default Windows music you can choose from. Anyways, moving on to the next feature, they've got a filter. And it's a very cool feature. I really don't, and it's very cool feature. I really didn't expect this is how it should work. And you know, knowing that after editing your video you don't lose a quality, that is so much more amazing. So it depends on you. You can go play with it and explore on this. You can just always click done if you want to apply this filter on your video or video clip. Alright, so moving on to the next feature, you can also add a speed. You can increase, decrease the speed, it's up to you. So maybe you would want to make good use of the speed, because maybe you talk a little bit slower because you want to edit some videos later on and make it a little bit faster, and you talk slow on your video. So maybe you can do, you know, add a speed on your video. So you can also choose a different clip to, you know, just specify which clip you'd like to add a speed. So it's definitely, it's up to you. So maybe, for example, we want this clip to be a little bit faster, and we also don't want to make a sound on this clip, so you can just decrease the sound, or you can just click on this to mute. But that would only apply to the clip that you selected. So we also have this icon here, and I thought it would crop the clip or the video, but I'm not so sure. You can kind of play on it, and we've got a rotating icon here. So yeah, it allows us to rotate our video, but still our video dimension remains the same. So you might want to change the dimension of your video, it's up to you. So if you want to make some changes with the dimension of your clip or video, you can just go through the triple dot here at the top right corner, select on that, and go to this icon. Now you can make some changes from here, or you can click on this to customize, so it's up to you. There's also a settings where you can review the settings, change the destination folder after saving the file. It's all up to you. You can kind of play around on this video editor. This is very amazing, very cool, a lot of video features, and most importantly, it doesn't lose any quality on your video from its original file size. So let's say, for example, we are going to save this video. So let's do that. Finish video, and you can select a video quality. So let's say your video default quality is 1080p. You can choose this, and if you want it a bit smaller to shrink the file size, you can choose 720p or a lower option. So for me, I'll just leave it by default, which is already checked, and go to export. And now from here, you can change the file name. So let's say, for example, sample video clip, and I'll save it on my desktop. Export. Wait for this. Alright guys, so we're here, and after saving the video, it automatically pops up the video file. So as you can see, still the up icons are crisp, sharp, and higher resolution. See, it doesn't reduce the quality after editing your video on video editor, which is a default feature of Windows. And we will start this video and see how we've got so far with the editing and so forth. But as you've known, we've changed the intro or the first clip into fast forward, so you'll notice the difference. Alright, so as you can see, the text, if you notice, it's very clear and high resolution. So this is just what I really want, exactly what I want when I'm editing a video. I don't want to lose a quality, and as much as possible I want to keep my video into high resolution, and I don't want to lose any resolution when it comes to tech tutorial, because that's very important and that is basic. Well, any of us wants a good resolution, right? Because other people don't, you know, they just don't like videos that are pixelated and are not clear, especially with the audio not clear, and they couldn't understand what you were saying and they can see what's on the screen clearly. So this is a big thumbs up for me, this type of video editor, default of Windows. I love it so much. So this wraps up our video, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope this is helpful to you and I was able to help you. And please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below if there's anything that you want me to do another video for tech tutorials, and also please don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to get notified on every upcoming videos. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.